3 people were killed and 4 hospitalized following a crash on the Portmore Toll Road in St. Catherine. The police have declared that this morning's deadly crash underscores the scant regard for the COVID-19 protocols in the island. 34-year-old Portmore resident Janoy Lewis, who was reportedly driving the vehicle, was among those killed. Ricky Gordon and a man known only by his alias Ryjan King are the other deceased. Now, TVJ News understand that the group had just left a party in the corporate area. Head of the JCF's Highway and Safety Patrol Division, Superintendent Lanford Salmon, is urging motorists to be careful.
You know what's taking place in this matter. Of note, it is the after 10 o'clock, which is our lockdown time.
He says the police will be stepping up measures along the toll road after the 10 o'clock curfew.
First, you just need to recognize that you need to slow down. That speeding, it costs lives and injuries. So I just want to appeal to everyone to, slow down. Unfortunately, nevertheless, in the end, 3 persons lost their life.
Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, has described the crash as a national disaster.